Here I am representing my school database management system code. So this is the code: display class, remove student. These all the functions that I have defined. All the tasks that will be performed using these functions are defined already. I have defined them: add teacher, submit fees, pay salary, and passwords is defined at last. Let me show you now how the code works. Let me run the code for you. Okay, so first of all you have to enter the password, and now we will enter the task number. I have doing the add student task, name of the student, class, and roll number, and the address Rampur. Phone number, I am just entering any number randomly. So you can see data entered successfully. So our code is working. Now let me show you the database to which my code is linked. So I had created the database of school, in which the tables which work for the functions are created manually. You have to create all the tables manually. So you can see here school in the databases. Use school. So I am showing you all the tables that I have created for this code. Show tables. These are all the tables which are used for the functioning of all the functions or tasks. This is the data structure table, in which I have described which tables are used for which functions. Now let me describe you how this project was done. First of all, I am opening command prompt to install the PIP of MySQL connector that will help us to connect our database and our code which will be preparing. Let's just pip install mysql dot sorry there is hyphen connector, mysql connector hyphen python. Okay, so it will just download from the internet. You need to have a stable internet connection, then this will download and install. As you can see, it's downloading. So now it's almost downloaded and it's installing now. Successfully installed. Okay, now it's installed. Now let's create the database for our code that we will be using, that we have also entered in the code. So create database school. So this is the database that we have also entered in our code. This was the first step that you had to do manually. Now let me show you database. It's created school. Okay, now let's create the tables for our database. These tables will be used in the functioning. I will only show the creation of one table. You can create all the tables just like this. I will show the procedure for only one table. So show tables. Let me show you how many tables are created till now. This is empty set. We have not created any table. Now let me create the first table for you. Create table students. All the tables are created according to the data structure that I have shown in the Microsoft Excel book. Okay, I have provided the link to the book and the code also in the description of this video. Student, these are the attributes: student name and varchar. This is the data type of the attribute. The data which will be entered is varchar. Okay, let me correct it first. Yes, now it is good. The second attribute here is class. Varchar, we are also entering the data in varchar in class because it will contain the section and the numerical class number also. Now roll number varchar 30, it will be enough. And the next attribute is address. It will be also entered in varchar because the block number of the address or the street name will be in varchar. And now next attribute is font. And this will be in int. I have not pressed the enter key. This is showing in the next line just because it was too long. Okay, now the table is created. You have to create all the tables like this. Now let me describe you this table. I am just showing you the creation of one table. So you can see all the attributes that we had created are just created now with their data types. Okay. So that was it, and you can find all the files I have provided in the description. Okay, thanks.